dude.
डाल देना, बोलना डिलीट ना करे।
Shahid, then he sends me a kiss right across. I know, we will. Mr. Kapoor. Oh, and there's Hrithik Roshan in the audience, even as we speak. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand while your cameras come up as well. And as I speak and I'm counting down, we have Arjun Kapoor entering the hall. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand, Arjun. Hey, good evening. What's up? And Sonakshi Sinha, the gorgeous. Hi, Sonakshi. Good evening. And the man who drinks from the fountain of youth, Mr. Anil Kapoor himself. Give him a big hand.
Malaysia is what we are going to say. Let's start with somebody who I've grown up admiring. I've agreed that I have a man crush on this person, and he has made Hindustan ki film industry so Roshan. Hrithik Roshan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Very happy to be here. It's an honor. It's IFA time again, and we are already rocking, as you can see. That's a good start. Very happy to be here. My love for IFA has been expressed by me many a times. I love you, IFA. I love all the people behind the IFA, Andre, the entire team, all the people who are associated with IFA this time. Congratulations. We are going to have a ball. IFA really is something. Hey, you want to ask me some question?
No. आप अच्छा फ्लो में जा रहे हो, जाइए ना.
नहीं तो पूछ ले. नहीं
तेरे
जवाब जो है वो मेरे ये इसमें स्पीच में.
अच्छा, तो मैं actually पूछना चाहता था, what is your most fondest memory since you've been part of IFA from its inception? What is your fondest and gladdest memory?
अरे, yeah, that moment after that after party when you know that girl. अच्छा, no, sorry, we should not go there.
Award show के अंदर.
अच्छा, show के. IFA really is about the moments. I think, just like in life, it's all about taking each moment and creating something magical with it. But what happens with the IFA is that, I'm rocking a bit too much. I want to stand up. What happens in the IFA is that it gets automatic here. You arrive at a place and the magic just begins. And I think the magic moments come from the faces of all our fans and all the people that we get to meet, in such far across places. And it reminds me that, it's such a wonderful world that even though they are so far apart, they are able to connect and touch my heart and my soul. And this would not be possible, if IFA didn't exist. So thank you, IFA, for connecting the world, making the world, a more beautiful place, more connected place. Doing that, contributing that to our cinema. I think that's, apart from that, I have a lot of other moments also. But I think the bond that I share with IFA, I think, starts because I think we both were born, both were born in the same year. We were both born in 2000. Cinematically, we are the same age. We are what? 15 years old now.
So we are like, you don't look 15 at all.
I don't say such things in front of Anil. I used to say uncle, but I can't say uncle anymore.
Just imagine.
मतलब के it is not allowed. मतलब 20 साल से जो इंसान, I look up to him, say Anil uncle, I've learned from him. One day I looked at him, I can't call him uncle, man. And he told me that I will last for 40 years. I'm 40 years old now, he looks 39, I'm confused. कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ये कैसे हो रहा है?
Just so you feel better, he calls me Arjun Chachu. That should put into perspective. Just say it again so people know that you actually call me that. What do you call me at home? See, he calls me Chachu, so you can imagine he's aging backwards.
He just wants you to go to the gym a bit more, that's
Yeah,
all.
that's it.
No, as I was saying, Aifa and I are the same age. We are 15 years old now. So we're like into our teens now. You know, we're teenagers. So, you know, and we all know what teens think about all day, you know. Not that shy, you corrupted mind. We think about having a good time, and that's what we're going to have in Malaysia. We're going to have the best time ever. I mean, last year was passé, man. We were 14 years old last year. This year we are 15, man. We know how to do it now. We're going to have a rocking time. Right? Mind-blowing.
आपका आशीर्वाद मिल गया.
What?
You know, the thing is, I'm just staring at you and wondering how you're so good looking. I've forgotten what I wanted to ask you. And this might happen very often during the show also, that we might not be able to continue what we thought of. Speaking about good looking, speaking about people जो है लोगों की दिलों की धड़कन, जो है लड़कियों की दिलों की धड़कन, शहद की तरह स्वीट, जैसे रणवीर सिंह ने फैसला किया इनको बुलाने का, हमारे प्यारे दुलारे सबके प्यारे शाहिद कपूर, यानी कि शाहिद कपूर को बुलाना चाहेंगे स्टेज पे. Shahid, you want to rock first?
Yeah, I think we should.
Because even I
Basically, तुम लोग हम लोग को ऐसा फील करा, हम लोग इतने बुड्ढे हो गए कि हम लोग को रॉकिंग चेयर की जरूरत है, जैसे वो बुड्ढे लोग ऐसा बैठते हैं. This is all a strategy. But I'll call you Chachu for the rest of this event.
Okay.
It's really uncomfortable. I think I'll also stand. Very, very happy to be here. Very happy to be a part of IFA one more time. I think everybody has said everything that possibly can be said about IFA. I'm performing here after, I think, 4 or 5 years. I've been hosting for the last 2 years, but now we have 2 psychotic people hosting IFA, and I don't think me and Farhan can ever beat that. So I'm sure it's going to be very, very entertaining. And I'm really, really excited to see both of them do whatever it is that they're promising on the promos of colors that they're going to do, because they really need to do it. So wishing them all the best with that, and I hope that they get the world's forgiveness.
Yes.
And Arjun and me seem to be sporting similar looks. I'm glad I trimmed my goatee just before I came, otherwise we would have really looked very, very
We are actually Jodwa.
weirdly similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you something. I asked him a question. I
Yes,
want
sure.
to ask you, we all love watching you dance. You love dancing. You love performing. Abhi bhi nervous hote ho when you dance? Tell us honestly. Do you feel that anxiety when you go up on stage?
See, when you once in a while stand next to, sit next to, act next to, talk next to Hrithik Roshan, it just reminds you of the fact that there's a very long way to go as a dancer. And I'm not saying this just for
easy
effect.
way out. Easy
I'm
answer.
not saying this for effect. Listen, I saw your first film, and I remember, you know, I just bought myself a sports bike and all. No, it wasn't your first film. It was Koi Mil Gaya. That was the film that I saw, and I just debuted and all, and I came on my bike and all that. And I came thinking I'm damn cool and all, I've debuted, man, I'm like in it and all. And I saw the film and I left in a rickshaw. Because I felt so depressed about myself as an actor. So Hrithik is amazingly inspiring, and seriously, seeing him dance is a learning experience every time. The amount of work he puts into his performances is really something to learn from. Everybody, all choreographers always tell me that, you know, the amount of time he rehearses is something they've never seen anybody else do. So there's a lot of effort that goes into what he does, and that's very, very inspiring. So yes, I do get nervous before every time I dance. And this year there's Hrithik Roshan as well, so I'm going to feel even more nervous, and I'm going to be equally excited to watch him perform.
You went on a bike and you came in a rickshaw.
Yeah.
I saw Kaho Na Pyar Hai and I wanted to wear that Jali wala t-shirt that he wore. So I have lost weight only to be able to wear clothes like that. When you remember that step that he does in that black shirt?
I'm going to leave this.
Okay,
stage
listen,
right
no,
now.
listen. Once you have to do this, do that thing now for IFA. Do that thing now. What you do in the climax of Kaho Na Pyar Hai Yaar. Are you ready?
conference में क्या-
Can
क्या
you
कर
feel
रहा
it? Then let's go for it. Come on, do it once, man.
Okay, fine. You do with me.
No, I can't. Yeah. नहीं, step नहीं था. But something you did say, you said something and all. I don't know. Do the step. What step should you do? Are you ready? Can you feel it? Then let's go for it.
Are you with me? Can you feel
it?
Then
let's go for it.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, then I can't do that, man.
So are you guys ready and can you feel it?
I was just going to say this was a good time for you to join them in a dance step.
नहीं औकात में रहना चाहिए लाइफ में इसीलिए देखने में मजा आता है करने में कम मजा आता है So now moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we have two wonderful men on stage and I would like to call a very, very beautiful woman. She's been my co-star in my last film, Tevar. I've had a fantastic experience working with her and truly one of the nicest people I've met and a great sport when it comes to everything that she does, Sonakshi Sinha.
I do not have a monologue ready on Aifa or Hrithik Roshan. So if you would like to carry on with the questions, I would be more than thankful.
Acha, but the thing is that we've heard that you have something very exciting this time for Aifa and for the people that are going to be watching Aifa and all your fans. What is it?
I think I should keep it a little bit of a surprise, but it's something that you guys will enjoy. Okay, 2 performances, I can give you that. I'm performing at Aifa Rocks and on the main show day as well. So, and they're both very different performances. This time Sabas is making me do something very, actually he's helping me fulfill a dream at Aifa Rocks. So thank you, Sabas. And I'm really looking forward to it. But yeah, my performance on the main show day is going to be something like, you've been calling me the dub smash queen and all of that, so I thought I'll give you a little bit more of that on those lines. And anyway, women are the new heroes today, so, you know, so it's gonna be very, very heroic. I can give you that as well. I
Arjun,
finished.
Oh, you finished?
Mute.
Yeah. You can ask me the next.
ऐसे तो तू कभी चुप नहीं होता.
I
वो
have that.
आज बाबा नहीं है ना.
I have that effect on people.
But
Fine.
okay, Sonakshi, while you're on stage and before he carries on, I must tell you, Sonakshi loves to dance. And when she dances, she has this typical, Sonakshi, remember, you have to show them that face of yours when you dance, that Bambaya face that you make when you're, Gandhi Baat, that one, yeah. I'll sing it for you. We are going to sing Gandhi Baat.
We need music for
Why do you
that,
want
and
people
everybody
to
has
believe
to
But
make a
check her
face.
face. You must, it's lovely.
His
I
face
should
is
sing.
he.
Yes,
We
you
make
should
the worst
sing.
face.
What face do I make?
What is the face?
Why don't you all
His
both show it to
Ah, what
us?
is
Calm down,
everybody?
everybody.
Show us.
No,
Yeah. I can't even look at it.
it's subtle here.
आज
Very, truly subtle.
आज कुछ संस्कारी करते हैं सोच के आए थे और कर क्या रहे हो
सुधर जाओ बाबा, होस्ट करना है.
और बार भी करना है इसके बाद कोशिश
Correct.
करेंगे.
ये rehearsal stage है, हो जाएगा, हाँ.
Before we move ahead, after what Anil Chachu said about me and the
Wait,
way
you don't
he,
have to ask me more questions.
और बाकी सब क्या बाकी सब
Don't
कैसे
she's
कैसे
the
चल
boss.
रहा
सब
है?
एकदम
सब
fit.
first class?
चलो ठीक है, बैठ जाते हैं, मतलब that's the cue.
मतलब you want to
अच्छा,
answer
बैठना
more,
नहीं,
we can
तो
ask
मैं
you
फिर-
more questions.
Please na. Because I didn't give that whole IFA speech and the praising
so
Hrithik. Should I start?
8.
Because then even I won't be able to stop. I mean, look at his eyes. Sorry,
I think we should
I'm
all
just,
just
yeah.
full, I'm just, yeah, pani is happening right now. So.
Shahid, you might want
How?
to join them.
I wasn't prepared for
How?
this.
I don't like to participate in these weird moments. It's
I
not
mean,
my thing.
The boys are going like that. Imagine my halat, yeah. Oh, thanks.
He has gone pink, however, I must tell you. Hrithik, your cheeks have gone pink.
Yeah.
I made Hrithik Roshan blush. So now before Anil Chachu fires me and gets bored of waiting, I just wanted to say that what he said about me, I'm really, really touched and overwhelmed that he said it at this podium. We very rarely get a chance to interact and get emotional about things. So I really did feel emotional. I don't want to joke around and fool around introducing this person. I just want to say, आज भी जब मैं किसी पार्टी में जाता हूँ इनके साथ या कोई भी इवेंट पे होता हूँ, मुझे लोग आके कहते हैं, your uncle is so good looking. And I tell you honestly, it makes me so proud and so happy and it pisses the living daylights out of me also because कोई मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं बोलता, सिर्फ इनकी तारीफ करते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, the man who's aging backwards, Anil Kapoor. What a player!
Anil Chachu said such great things about you. I would like to ask you, he said, you know, you're constantly surprising him. So do you want to tell us today one thing that surprises you about Anil Chachu at any given point, all the time, something recently?
The one thing that surprises me about Anil Chachu, honestly and genuinely, this man's dedication and his passion towards his profession. I guess we are all five of us here, we are all very, very fortunate and lucky that we are, our passion has become a profession, but this man takes it to the next level with his dedication, regardless of age, regardless of what he's achieved. He
Yeah, I
still
think
is
we
like
should
a
all be
child.
around him now.
Yeah.
Like this.
Let's
But I
make him
swear-
blush.
He's like
How?
Go for it.
How?
he's like a child, yeah.
How is it possible? Are you a man or machine? Prove it now.
The
Take your
curious
clothes
case
off.
of Anil Kapoor.
Take your clothes off. Prove it. Man or machine?
Sir, one more
Ladies
sir.
and gentlemen, Anil Kapoor. Oh my God. I think he's doing it, Arjun.
See?
I think we've
See
asked.
the dedication he has.
This is what ask and you shall receive. Anil Kapoor teaches it to us.
I mean, this is his dedication. I know for a fact that this man, when he knows he has dubbing, will be up at 6 a.m. in the morning because सुबह सुबह आवाज बहुत अच्छी sound करती है, and he'll go and dub, and that is the kind of passion that we all need to learn, and I hope I can imbibe that and make him proud, like he was saying.
All right, give it up for these jackass people on stage, all of them. Yes. Arjun, you have one last chance to ask Chachu a question. Would you like to ask him something?
नहीं, I think उन्होंने मतलब जो कहना था, जो करना था, सब कुछ कर दिया. अभी मलेशिया में मिलते हैं, वहाँ पे होगे सवाल जवाब, वहाँ पे होगी मस्ती, and see you all at IFA 2015.
Well, great. Before that, I just have something for you. Please, ja, please, ja. Please, nahi ghar. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier, before you go, there is one practice run you have to do of something that you will be doing at IFA. Can all of you together once look into the audience with your mics and say, "We love you, IFA!" One, two, three.
We love you,
All right. There's just one little activity. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Ek second.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir
Actually,
is saying hello. Excuse
yeah.
me.
एक सेकंड, शांति.
Hup, hup, hup.
Just say खामोश.
Khamosh.
Irshad, sir.
actually क्या हो गया कि आई एम अ वेरी हंग्री एक्टर, तो मुझे मौका नहीं मिला बोलने के लिए, तो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. We love you, IFA!
That's the way it's done. That's the way it's done, boys and girls. That's Anil Kapoor. All right, before we go, just a quick question. Ritik, of course, you won an IFA award.
Yeah.
Sir, you have won an IFA award.
Yes, too.
Too, very proudly so. So, Nakshi, my Janiman, have you won an IFA award?
Yes, my debut award.
All right, that's her debut. Shahid, you're looking hotter every day. It's a time, I'm telling you. Have you won an IFA award?
Yes.
Arjun? Oh, the whole industry knows this? I thought I was special. Arjun, have you won an IFA award?
No, I've never won an IFA award.
Baba?
Baba has won an IFA award.
So you're the only, like, I obviously can't win it at this point in my life yet, but you know, this is a space where IFA award makes everybody happy. So today, we're going to give you your own, before we go there, lots of practice happening, we're going to give you your own personal special IFA award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have?
और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा ऋतिक रोशन, अनिल कपूर, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा एंड शाहिद कपूर को.
Please, usko yahan rakh
अरे,
दीजिए.
इतना बड़ा
We would
award.
like to see Arjun Kapoor. This is your award. Get it, my friend. Get
थोड़ा
it.
हिला हुआ है.
Come on.
I think this will have to be given
Each and
sideways.
मैम सामने मैम यहाँ पे मैम इधर देखिए ना मैम ये मैम सामने मैम मैम ये मैम इधर देखिए ना एक बैक टर्न नहीं दिख रहा टर्न कीजिए हाँ बाल 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 सर पे मुंह पे मजा नहीं आ रहा मुंह पे बाल आ गया थोड़ा आगे
कैसा पड़ा है रे
मैम सामने यहाँ पे मेरी तो मत से बढ़िया मैम ऑन स्ट्रेट मैम लेफ्ट टर्न हो जाए इधर इसमें में सुरवीर हियर
सेंटर सेंटर बोलना पलट